English shorthand dictation 100 words per minute. Start. I am very happy to welcome you to this conference. I think this is the first time that all of us on this side are meeting you together at one place, and I am told that you are going to have the conference for nearly 3 days, and possibly you may even extend if the deliberations do not conclude. I know you are all very busy officers and that you have spared time to come here and decide upon the best methods by which we can succeed in the great experiment which we are having to rebuild this country, to reconstruct and to make this country self-sufficient from every point of view. You know our great drawbacks today when compared with other nations are illiteracy, unemployment and underdeveloped rural economy. It is to these three major and vital problems that we have devoted ourselves. To solve these difficult problems in a democratic setup requires the highest integrity, application to work and efficiency on the part of all of you. We as a government, whoever may be in office, will decide only policies, and any government can get a good name or a bad name according to the efficiency of the officers and the administrative machinery. It is you who have to implement these policies, and the prosperity of the country depends upon the way you implement these policies and create new life, new vigor and new outlook. I cannot tell you that I know all details of the administration. I want every one of you to see that all the details are attended to and all obstacles will be removed. That is why I am here. It is therefore from that object that I welcome you here today. We have these 5-year plans. The entire country has achieved things which had not been done for hundreds of years, but it is not sufficient. As the new setup is coming, the people should be confident that they will be more happy, they will be given more employment, they will be become less illiterate, and that lives will be contented. We have to carry out work in a common spirit. The deputy commissioner is the lord of district. Wherever you go, you will get into touch with the people and make them work more. At present, we have got large responsibilities and a heavy burden.